So just in case you didn't know what live wallpaper meant for Android phones, this is it. So instead of having a stagnant picture that scrolls as you scroll through your screens, you can have, this is what's called live wallpaper. So you can choose basically whatever you want. So I use an app called Video Wallpaper. Then I basically pick which one I want. So that would be like, here's my version 2. Well, let's go with this one. This one here. Go like that. Set wallpaper, home and lock screens. So that's it. That's the footage I shot this morning as my live wallpaper. Pretty slick, right?